Then we have to find out the method, NTU method for parallel flow and counter flow. First of all, we will discuss effectiveness for the parallel flow heat exchanger. Effectiveness for the parallel flow heat exchanger. We have the diagram for a parallel flow. This is the diagram for parallel flow. This is temperature diagram, temperature distribution diagram for parallel flow. This is TH1, that is hot fluid coming in the heat exchanger. This is TC1, cold fluid coming in the exchanger. This is TS2, this is TC2. Right? Here we have to consider a small elementary area, that is dA. That is dA. Here we have this TH, this is TC, temperature. Right? Then for this small elementary area, dQ is equals to U dA into bracket TH minus TC. Right? We can write as this. We have the another formula for this dQ, that is minus m dot H CPH into DTH, which is equals to m dot C CPC DTC. Here this formula coming from, that is heat provided to cold fluid, right, and this formula heat gain by the cold fluid, right. Then we have written, that is in LMTD, this is minus CH into DTH, and for cold fluid CC into DTC, right. See here, what is CH and CC? CH is equals to m dot H CPH, that is heat capacity for hot fluid, and CC is equals to m dot C CPC, that is heat capacity for the cold fluid. From above expression we can write as DTH is equals to minus dQ divided by CH, and DTC is equals to dQ upon CC. That is we have done same in the LMTD method also, right. Let D into bracket TH minus TC, we have to take subtraction of above formulas, which is equals to minus dQ into bracket 1 upon CH plus 1 upon CC, right. Then we have value of dQ, that is dTH minus TC is equals to minus UdA into bracket TH minus TC into 1 upon CH plus 1 upon CC. See here, got it? Okay. Let D into bracket TH minus TC divided by TH minus TC is equals to minus UdA into bracket 1 upon CH plus 1 upon CC. Taking integration, we get ln of Th2 minus Tc2 divided by Th1 minus Tc1, which is equals to, here only variable term is dA, so minus UA into bracket 1 upon Ch plus 1 upon Cc. In this we have taken boundary conditions for Th and Tc, that is 1 and 2, and boundary condition for dA 0 to A. Let ln into bracket Th2 minus Tc2 divided by Th1 minus Tc1 bracket close, which is equals to minus UA divided by Ch, that is we have took Ch common from this bracket, that is becomes 1 plus Ch divided by Cc. Let taking antilog on both sides, equation becomes Th2 minus Tc2 divided by Th1 minus Tc1, which is equals to exponential into bracket minus UA divided by Ch bracket close into another bracket 1 plus Ch divided by Cc. We have formula for effectiveness. We have formula for effectiveness, that is effectiveness is equals to Ch into bracket Th1 minus Th2 divided by C minimum into bracket Th1 minus Tc1, which is equals to Cc into bracket Tc2 minus Tc1 divided by C minimum into bracket Th1 minus Tc1. This is from effectiveness definition or formula. Let we have to find out values of Th2 and Tc2 from effectiveness formula. Right? Then Th2 is equals to Th1 minus effectiveness C minimum into bracket Th1 minus Tc1 divided by Ch. This is the value of Th2 from the effectiveness formula, right? And value of Tc2 is equals to Tc1 plus effectiveness C minimum into bracket Th1 minus Tc1 divided by Cc. Put these values in above equation. I will rewrite the equation in which we have to put the values of Th2 and Tc2. So this is Th2 minus Tc2 divided by Th1 minus Tc1 which is equals to exponential into bracket minus UA divided by CH bracket close into another bracket 1 plus CH divided by CC. Right? In this equation we have to put the values of TS2 and TC2, right? Then equation becomes 1 upon TH1 minus TC1 bracket close into bracket TH1 minus TC1 bracket close minus effectiveness C minimum into bracket TH1 minus TC1 bracket close into another bracket 1 upon CH plus 1 upon CC bracket close, which is equals to exponential right hand side exponential into bracket minus UA divided by CH bracket close 1 upon CH divided by CC. Got it? Then equation becomes 1 minus effectiveness C minimum into bracket 1 upon CH plus 1 upon CC bracket close, which is equals to exponential into bracket minus UA divided by CH another bracket 1 plus CH divided by CC. Then formula for effectiveness is equals to 1 minus exponential into bracket minus UA divided by CH bracket close into another bracket 1 plus CH divided by CC bracket close whole divided by C minimum into bracket 1 upon CH plus 1 upon CC. Right? This is the formula for effectiveness in the form of NTU. We have to minimize this formula. If CC is greater than CH, then C minimum is equals to CH and C maximum is equals to CC. Then above equation becomes effectiveness is equals to 1 minus exponential into bracket minus UA divided by CH, and here CH is C minimum, so right here C minimum bracket close into another bracket 1 plus C minimum divided by C maximum, because CC is C maximum and CH is C minimum, divided by 1 plus into bracket C minimum divided by C maximum. Right here from above equation, this equation C minimum is out of bracket, but where CH is C minimum, so this will get cancelled, it becomes 1, and this is C minimum divided by C maximum. Right? If this is the formula, let another option, when CC is less than CH, so C minimum is equals to CC and C maximum become CH. Put this also in above equation, then effectiveness is equals to 1 minus exponential into bracket minus into bracket UA divided by C max bracket close into another bracket 1 plus C max divided by C minimum. bracket close, divided by 1 plus C minimum divided by C maximum. Right? This is another option. By rearranging above these expression, right, effectiveness is equals to 1 minus exponential into bracket minus UA divided by C minimum bracket close 1 plus C minimum divided by C maximum bracket close, that is divided by 1 plus C minimum divided by C maximum, right. This is major equation in this by rearranging the above equation, right. Let where C minimum and C maximum represent the smaller and larger of heat capacities that we have already written, right. Next point, the grouping the term UA divided by C minimum is dimensionless expression called the number of transfer unit, called as number of transfer unit, that is NTU. And second, this ratio C minimum divided by C maximum also dimensionless expression called as R, that is heat capacity ratio R. Then third last dimensionless parameter is flow arrangement, that is parallel flow or counter flow, right. So the expression of effectiveness becomes 1 minus exponential into bracket minus NTU into another bracket 1 plus into bracket C minimum divided by C maximum bracket close divided by 1 plus C minimum divided by C maximum, right. We have eliminated UA divided by C minimum by the NTU because this is dimensionless number and it is called as NTU. That we have to next we have to eliminate the ratio of heat capacity, that is C minimum divided by C maximum. Then effectiveness for parallel flow is equals to 1 minus exponential into bracket minus NTU into another bracket 1 plus R bracket close divided by 1 plus R, and this is the formula of effectiveness in the form of NTU. Thank you.